The decision to treat crime as a public health issue was taken in February 2020 during the 31st Intersessional Meeting of the Conference of Heads of Government of CARICOM. It was revealed by Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago Dr. Keith Rowley while speaking to the media in Barbados.
We have taken at this meeting, culminating on discussions from the last meeting, is the whole question of treating violent behavior and crime as a public health issue. And we have agreed that there will be a response along that line.
At that time, Dr. Rowley said there will be initiatives going forward from the preventative and proactive side. During the symposium, Executive Director of the Caribbean Public Health Agency, CARFA, Dr. Joy St. John's presentation will focus on crime and violence, a public health approach. And when it comes to matters of mental health and crime, Director of Mental Health at the Ministry of Health in Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. Hazel Othello, will begin the discussions on that aspect. CARICOM leaders like Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago Dr. Keith Rowley, Prime Minister of Barbados Mia Mottley, Prime Minister of Jamaica Andrew Holness, Prime Minister of St. Lucia Philip J. Peer, and Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines Dr. Ralph Gonzalez are all expected to address the symposium. The private sector will have a voice at the symposium as the perspectives of the private sector from Director of the CARICOM Private Sector Organization Andrew Sabga and President of the Trinidad and Tobago Chamber of Industry and Commerce Charles Pashley will be shared. Perspectives on community approaches, judicial, education and youth, religious, economics, transnational organized crime and the social perspective on crime and violence will also be addressed. Mahalia Joseph Wharton, TTT News.